This video guide is about getting rid of the browser hijacker that is called Driversgalaxy.co. Driversgalaxy.com is a browser hijacker that affects a Google Chrome browser. The problem with this extension called Drivers Galaxy is that it is often spread through integration with some free applications. So in many cases, people just download and install this Drivers Galaxy extension absolutely unintentionally. Then, when they submit some particular search queries, they notice that the results would be eventually delivered by some other search engines that have not been chosen by the customers initially. No matter what search queries are actually submitted, still these redirections take place, and because of that, people just don't get the relevant search results. Driversgalaxy.co also can make your computer and your browser functions in a very slow manner. So, if some way or another this Driversgalaxy.co was installed into your Chrome, you should fix your Chrome immediately by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions. Then, if you see any third-party extensions here, you should disable and get rid of such extensions. As we said, Driversgalaxy.co operates through a special Drivers Galaxy extension in Google Chrome. So you should undertake the measures and remove it immediately. In order to make sure that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I would strongly advise that you research it additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Keep in mind that the best place to get Combo Cleaner is on the official website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.